Check this out! Merong hawak ang ating beautiful round girl na si Len. At kanina nag-ikot-ikot siya at she asked to everyone kung sinong gustong sumali dito sa ating halftime game. And nilagay nila yung mga names nila sa piece of paper and they dropped it in our fishbowl. Alright! At bubunot tayo ng one lucky winner. So he gets or she gets a chance for a glory and a seriously awesome prize. Ano bang mapapanalunan nila? Siyempre, walang iba kundi itong hawak ko. Perry Q, the Q of Champions. Talk about a golden opportunity, guys. Maraming salamat sa ating sponsor, Perry Q's. But here's the twist. Ito ang kailangan yung gawin. To make things even more thrilling, we're placing the 9-ball on either left or right wing of the rack, not in the middle. Kaya mas madali, mas mataas ang chance na maipasok nyo or makapag-golden break kayo. Now, let's find out who our lucky winner is. Drum roll, please. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mabubunot. Wait lang. I will take my time. Halika na dito at magpakitang gilas ka, Jed Guerrero! This is your moment to shine. So ang mangyayari, Jed, you will have 2 chances to sink that 9-ball and take home this incredible Perry Q that I am holding right now. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Let's go! Akala ko makukuha na, pero alam nyo may isang chance pa siya, no? Alright, Jed, take your shot! Wow! Sayang naman, but you know, grabe, sobrang close! Don't worry, Jed. You were fantastic. Grabe. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo, sobra nakakabitin kung isa lang. So, bubunot pa tayo yung one more. Pagbigyan natin ang sigaw ng mga taong bayan. Eto na nga. Let's see. Halika na dito, Julius Irasca! Ayan na si Julius. 2 chances to sink the 9-ball. Ganun pa rin ang mangyayari, di ba? Okay, ang tanong ko, handa ka na ba?
Handa na!
Yun ang energy! Okay, Julius! Extension daw. Alam niyo, muntik na. Huling chance. Take your shot. Muntik na, pero thank you so much. That was so fun, you know? And the excitement continues here at the SBA Championship. Stay tuned for more thrilling action and surprises because you could be the next lucky winner. Once again, thank you to Perry Q's and let's keep this energy high, everyone.